Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, yes. Sources close to the RT says it is true. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel seems to have received the news where him and Sean Storm and other co-accused have been waiting for a year and 6 months. Viewers and subscribers, now point to the latest post on the RT's IG page in which was captioned, "We want to say Gaza Nation, freedom." Now, viewers and subscribers, some line-minded individuals are saying the teacher was just merely making a joke. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you this. No joke now in a Gaza something. Gaza serious like a judge in a trial. As a matter of fact, Gaza more serious than the 3-judge tribunal presiding over this appeal. Viewers and subscribers, no joke in that something. And artists will spend millions for fighting case and then appeal it. Viewers and subscribers would not joke about his freedom. If you're a regular liar, price $100. Remember, Vybz Kartel defense team or QC's, viewers and subscribers, for them price about $4-5. Yo, the artist not joke about him freedom, viewers and subscribers, and Gaza Nation not joke about it neither. But it is very exciting, viewers and subscribers, to see this post with this caption. Yes, and big up Gaza Nation too as well. And I mean, yes, the question was presented to us, and viewers and subscribers, you know our sentiments. From the teacher optimistic about the appeal, well, so are we, viewers and subscribers. We're not responsible for the naysayers them a say. Until the attorneys them tell us to stop look for good news, we will be searching for it, viewers and subscribers. Yes, we will be looking at the situation. Freedom for all 19, I will say, of course. Freedom for all 19 for the artists and other co-accused, viewers and subscribers. And as I will say, the appeal definitely look good. And this are one of the confirmation we are looking for. We are looking for the teacher give some good statements. We're going to say yes. We want to say freedom, because that's what we say. Right now, dancehall and Gaza Nation are share the same sentiment, meaning say they must say the same thing, or the same thing they must hope for, viewers and subscribers. The release of Vybz Kartel. From producers to other artists as well. It might not be every producer and it might not be every artist, but are the producers and the artists that matter. And them are wait for the release of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And not every artist, because not every artist matter right now. Meaning say, and not every artist that put out good songs or even hit songs, viewers and subscribers. Because remember, you have the people who say sometimes when a song hit, it's not necessarily a good song. Well, some people now put out no good song for one, and some are not even putting out hit singles, viewers and subscribers. We don't even hear about an album in the works. And we are talking about the elevation of the genre. Oh, you have to elevate the genre without any albums in the works, without any chart-topping releases, without any big stage performances. These are attributes that are factored in when the decision is made, when they're going to move the dancehall category up another slot, viewers and subscribers, because we need the category at the Grammys. We need the category at the Grammys, and as a matter of fact, we are saying Vybz Kartel for the Grammys. Yes, because remember, Letter to Tanisha slated to be released next month, which is next year. And you know, you have a Grammys every year, viewers and subscribers. And I know when the album release. Is how well did the album do. And we know one thing about Teacher tracks. Them continue for sell. Teacher is not the artist who put that song this month. And next month nobody not care. You're wrong. If that's what you think, you're wrong. Remember, trending, if trending is what you are using to forward to this conclusion, they're wrong. Because remember, different tracks trend. But sales are showcased on a different platform and in a different analytics. So yes, the Teacher music continues to sell, viewers and subscribers, even months or years after the initial release. You know what I mean? And as we say about release the Teacher. Release the Teacher right now. That are the sentiments from Gaza Nation and me, myself, viewers and subscribers. Very exciting moment in the dancehall music. All artists with the artists I work with right now, I change the game. I go out there and I make themselves known as artists. And the fact is, most artists were associated with a certain artist would have tried to sound like him or be like him. These artists maintain their own individuality. People might say, oh, look on sticker image. Of course, inspired by Vybz Kartel, as is the image of majority of dancehall music, but it's still uniquely him. He might do his own style. You know what I mean? He might do his own style, viewers and subscribers. Being inspired by the teacher, and openly I said, big up all young artists who openly say them respect and rate Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, because some young artists refuse to do it. I mean, I know who in them ears tell them say don't do it. You know what I mean? But some of them refuse, viewers and subscribers. We not call nobody name because we not highlight them. Yes, upon that program, a different reason we are old. The post is out, viewers and subscribers, and sources close to the artist say a reality. That is why the teacher is so optimistic. Remember that track, Beautiful Island, in which the intro goes, I'm coming home. It's a holiday again. Certain places cannot hold me. No. A reality, viewers and subscribers. Yes, it's reality. The teacher. Yes, it's like he's coming home. I mean, know one of the biggest welcome home party this could be. Yo, me no know differently from Buju. I remember Buju is here. Now I mean, Ninja situation is different. And Ninja never appeal him sentence. Him go serve it. You know what I mean? So goes the same for majority of other artists. Behind the bars, behind the iron curtain right now. You know what I mean? They are serving, them now appeal sentence. The teacher is different, he might appeal the sentence, he maintain him innocence. The teacher still say, I will never have nothing to do with it. Nothing at all, despite we hear some people want to say, and some things that some people want to drum up. There was no involvement, and there is no proof of any involvement neither. Only speculatory evidence. Yes, only speculations. So at this point in time, the teacher's innocence is still maintained, and him says so, him lies says so, and we say so as well, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? But as I was saying about the artists, them we are work with the artists such as Jody Couture, Jada Kingdom, of course, Liquor Vibes and Liquor Addy, big up on yourself, you to know that something go. You know what I mean? And all other artists in respect, you know, Sticker Rhymes, you know what I mean? Lisa Hype, you know what I mean? Come over, Big Chuck, you know what I mean? Big up Shawnee to them, and know so that rhythm was constructed around that chorus. You so make me have to come over. When me hear the rhythm, nobody can tell me nothing. That rhythm was constructed around a previously recorded verse. You know what I mean? I saw the teacher prolific. It can be a verse recorded from 09 or 2019. No, think about what me I say. Listen to what I am saying to you. It can be a verse recorded from 09. It's as long as the public has never heard it. Once the producers them get it, producers say a goal this, and the engineer them get to work right away, viewers and subscribers. Producers call and release tracks from Vybz Kartel. Goal. The song them help inspire the rhythm. Remember, this more like this track was an acapella track. And from the sound or the melody of the track, them build a rhythm. And it's a big rhythm, be a big song that on Vybz Kartel, Lisa Hype, Intense them, TJ them, all of our big names, a big rhythm. You know what I mean? Big up the teacher, viewers and subscribers. He's coming home. Yes, he's coming. I mean, now stop say so. The teacher will be released, viewers and subscribers. Freedom is a must. Me now stop say it. If you plan to say it, then do what you like. You know what I mean? We say Clarks, but if you want to wear the blue Nike, you do what you want to do. You know what I mean? You do what you want to do. All shoes must sell. You know what I mean? You do what you like to do, viewers and subscribers. We are presenting the reasoning to you. We are bringing the facts to you. You know what I mean? As brought and presented to us, viewers and subscribers, as we get the story them, as we hear that go on. We are making you know say so this are going right now, viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall music. Yes, the teacher make the post, and from me see the post, me I say yes. This is one of the statements in my Gaza Nation I look for a long time. Them a wait for hear the teacher make a statement like this. Remember we hear from Sean Storm Lawyer, and Sean Storm Lawyer say while frustrated, them still optimistic, because it look like say yes, they will be getting the ruling. Them family members, loved ones, well-wishers, and Gaza Nation have been waiting for a year and 6 months now. Even before that, we wait for the winning of the trial. But you know what I mean? What happened. What take place, and we're at the appeal stage, and the appeal is at an advanced stage. And the note where Miss Nita Robertson QC did say she was waiting on to know when they will be announcing a ruling has been received. And as I always say, look like the appellant know what go on. It look like him know what go on, viewers and subscribers. Talk to him in the comment section. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the Gaza representative, the dancehall correspondent, viewers and subscribers. Yes, you know the something go. The comment section open. The comment section open 24/7. The comment section open. So talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Be mindful. Yeah, be mindful of the guidelines. respectful to. Yeah, be respectful of the guidelines. In the comment section. But talk to it, make we know, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers, and we can even continue the reasoning from the comment section. The like icon there as well. Drop a like on the vlog for me, like with your ear, viewers and subscribers. Show the support. Gaza Nation, talk to it, drop a like on the vlog. The comment section is always open, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, remember the comment section open. Yes, we'll remind you again. The share icon is there, viewers, there also, viewers and subscribers. So you can tell a friend, tell them brother, and them sister them to check out the channel and check out the reason, diverse, interactive experience. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you, viewers and subscribers, that you simply click the subscribe icon, yes, then the bell icon right after that. To the annunciation there. The bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded, and you will also be provided with, a way to get to all the other previous ones as well. Yes. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, I move settings. I wanna need a lot of fam. My sentiments to you are for you rather. It's gonna live, love and prosper until reason again, fam. Quick recap. The Vybz Kartel post, viewers and subscribers send dancehall in a stir. Freedom! The teacher look like him receive the news, viewers and subscribers, that we have all been waiting for. Yes.